Hi guys, welcome back to Eric's RC Hobby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a carbon fibre rear damper stay to your Tamiya DT-03 chassis. As you can see, I broke my plastic rear damper stay in a crash, so temporarily fixed it until this arrived. A carbon fibre rear damper stay. So in this video I'll show you how to fit it to your car. Your package should come with two sets of instructions. One for CVA dampers and one for friction dampers. Once you've unstuck your ESC, the first thing to do is to remove the back wing. Next, undo the two bottom screws that attach the damper stay to the chassis. Then undo the screws at the top of the dampers. As you can see, the carbon fibre damper stay is much thinner than the plastic one. Now the damper stay is removed, it's the perfect time to give the car a clean. The first thing we need to do is attach the ball connector to the carbon damper stay. Make sure they're nice and tight. Next, attach the damper stay with the bottom screws. Then clip in the CVA dampers at the top and attach the back wing. These are all the screws I had left over. Cut your servo tape to size and attach it to the bottom of your ESC. Work out exactly where you're going to place the ESC, then stick it down to the chassis. Then use tie wraps to neaten up the wires.